Nathan at 5 months would rather play with his food than actually eat it. Come on. You gonna eat some? Is that when you think of food? Come on, a little bit more. And actually eat this one. Oh, nice. Is any actually gonna get swallowed? I think that's a sign he does not like organic whole wheat rice cereal. Better try something else. Oh, the toy might do it.